The F-Pod, one fuel, one price, 7 locations. It's just easy.
The product we've got showcasing today is the 5,300 litre F-Pod. It's a 5,300 litre tank with 110% fully bonded and an electronic pump system in there. We're working with Capper Brown because they came to us with a problem. They needed to have an on-site fuel solution.
Before the F-Pods, each one of our depots had its own individual 5,000 litre bunker fuel. They were drawing on the local fuel tankers to fill it up.
We were filling up at domestic commercial filling stations. Everybody had a fuel card and they would just fill up at the nearest fuel station to them.
So the F-Pod is all about making the solution much easier and simpler for the customer. They don't need to travel to a service station, so there's reduction in time taken, but there's also reduction in cost over the fuel pump prices. The fuel can be withdrawn whenever they need it using the secure fobs and making sure there's no unauthorised access.
Each one of the fuel pods is lockable. When we open it, we have to fob on, so each fob is individually coded to a vehicle. We don't even have to order fuel, it's all done for us automatically.
The product is a fully managed service. Once it's installed, the fuel levels are managed by Speedy. We've got fuel management telemetry devices that allows us to check the fuel levels, reorder fuel when it's needed. We also have the latest GPS and level sensing technology that will provide an alert if fuel is withdrawn when the site is closed.
Our teams come in every morning to collect the materials and equipment, and that takes some time. Most of our teams are 2-person teams. While one's collecting the materials and the paperwork, the other one's filling up the vehicles. So it's saving us time, it's saving us money. And then in addition to that, because we are quite a large company, we get the commercial benefit of scale of the fuel we purchase.
With a fuel management device on an F-Pod, the environmental impact is quite big. What it allows us to do is deliver the right amount of fuel at the right time. We replenish the fuel only when it's needed, so we make fewer deliveries of more fuel, cutting down on Scope 3 emissions. But also we don't get fuel left on board, so every drop of fuel is delivered, which makes our vehicles more efficient.
We're looking not to add environmental issues into our business, and the way the pods work, we could reduce that risk as well.
For us as a business, this has been very cost effective. The guys have to come into the depot daily or bi-daily. They're able to get fuel while they're here and get to the next job quickly. For us, it's been a cost benefit.
We can link a number of F-Pods together to give a network for a customer across multiple sites.
We've been able to send a vehicle from here, Ham Hill, Snodland, all the way through to Southampton, can stop at any one of our 7 depots throughout the 3 counties and fill up.
Since we've chosen Speedy and the F-Pods, we have never looked back. It's fundamentally changed our business for the better, and I would highly recommend them.
For us, Speedy is a one-stop shop.